everybody, I'm friend Vinisan and I just finished reading Out of the Easy by Ruta Sepetys. I listened to the audiobook version of it available on Audible. So the book Out of the Easy is set in the year 1950, which is the post-war period, and everyone was very hopeful to put the past 10, 20 years behind them and start a new war-free, peaceful, hopeful time. And this book is set in the place New Orleans, which has always been a very fascinating place, filled with life and beauty and color and mystery. And the basic plot of Out of the Easy revolves around a girl called Josie Maureen. Josie Maureen is a 17-year-old girl who lives in the French Quarter of New Orleans, and she works at a bookstore. And more importantly, Josie came to New Orleans, that is the area French Quarter, when she was 7 years old. Her mother is a prostitute and she works in a brothel called Big Easy. So Josie grew up around Big Easy and French Quarter. When she was 12 years old, she got a job as a bookshop clerk or attendant, and she started living in the bookshop. And the story proceeds to story actually begins when she turns 17 years old. When she's 17 years old, Josie is still working at the bookstore, and she acts as a cleaning maid for the Big Easy, and she's the personal assistant of the madam of the brothel, who is Billy. She's having a considerably peaceful life compared to everyone else in the French Quarter, but she was never happy in New Orleans because it was very shady place and filled with crime, and her mother was a very, very, very unpleasant person. She was very selfish and never cared about Josie. So all Josie wanted her life was to get away from the French Quarter, from New Orleans and her mother, and far away to some prestigious college where she could study English literature. And this book, the plot of this book starts when Josie was almost ready to leave New Orleans behind her, when a mysterious murder happens, and that murder affects her quite a bit because it was very personal to her, and this puts off her plans of moving away, and she somehow gets herself entangled in the murder mystery, and somehow her plans of going to college are shaded by this. So that's the basic plot of Out of the Easy. And after reading this, I decided to give this book a 2.7 out of 5 stars, which is very tragic because Ruta Sepetys is one of my all-time favorite authors. Just earlier this September, I read Salt to the Sea by her, and I was completely obsessed with her, so I started reading all of her books. And Out of the Easy has been a huge disappointment. The writing was excellent. As with every other Ruta Sepetys book, she nailed the writing with no vulgarity, such classy writing, and the characters were amazing. I think Ruta Sepetys' strongest writing point is characters. She nails the characters every time. There are such distinct, diverse, unique characters with such interesting backstories and character arcs and development. It was such fun to read about the characters, but the plot was very dull. It was exceptionally dull for Ruta Sepetys, and the tragedies and the events happening in the plot, in the story, felt very repetitive and redundant, and they were not necessary. I mean, there are a few tragedies that happen in the book, but they did not feel necessary. Tragedy is the main theme of Ruta Sepetys' writing, but in this book it just felt too much. Not too much, but useless. It didn't have a real purpose here, and it just felt like she kept making Josie's life difficult just for the plot to expand a little bit more, and that was rather disappointing. And the writing was good and everything else was good, but it was not engaging to read about, and I had to struggle to listen to the last 3 hours of the book because it gets really dull after a point, and the ending was abrupt. And yeah, that's all I have to say about the book. I did not find it much to my liking, but that might not be the case with you. You should give it a try, whether or not you watch this video or take my opinion into consideration. It's Ruta Sepetys is a really talented author, and this story is about decisions and how your decisions can change your life, and nothing else matters. Not your family, not your parents, not your history. Only you and the decisions you make in life shape your destiny. So if that is something you're interested in, I would definitely urge you to give this book a go, because many people on Goodreads seem to find it amazing and gave it 4 or 5 stars, but it just wasn't for me, and I gave it a 2.7 or a 3 out of 5 stars. I hope you decide to read this book and enjoy it much more than I did, and until next video, goodbye.